Hi, Joy and Cheryl. Happy Friday. I just want to congratulate you on a great job this week. Your comments and your sharing has been fantastic, and your insights related to course evaluations was great. One of the things that I will do with my classes, which is a huge benefit of teaching an online class, is that I can pull data to see which assignments students are doing well on. And aside from that, you can actually look and see which areas of the rubric students are doing well on. So this is helpful information because it helps you identify which areas students are struggling with. So for example, if in your rubric you have something on APA format, and students are not doing well on that section and that's leading to lower outcomes, then you know that the course needs to be tailored to share more information or to address it differently relative to APA format. So rubrics are very, very helpful. It depends where you work and how they're built into the system, but it does allow us to be very specific about where students are falling short. So it may or may not be that the instructor is not strong, but it could be that certain aspects of the course need improvement. So I encourage you in your places that you're working to see how you can build that in and be very specific and get that data. Sometimes it's a little more difficult in some organizations, but it is there. So think about how you can use that.